Dr. Kajal Kumar Biswas ji, Secretary IPS, Professor Dharanidhar Patra ji, President Academy for Advancement of Agriculture Science, Shri Anil Putmiri ji, NABARD Tripura, Professor Gautam Shah ji, Vice Chancellor, Mohanpur, West Bengal, Professor Devashi Seth, Principal, College of Agriculture, Tripura. Welcome to all plant doctors. Human doctors are there, animal doctors are there, you are the plant doctors. जो प्राणी हैं वो तीन ही हैं, ह्यूमन, एनिमल एंड प्लांट। जिसको डिसीज आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, जिसको फिर मेडिसिन देते हैं, उसको तो बोलते हैं डॉक्टर। तो अभी जी जो इंजीनियर्स है वो इंजीनियर्स भी नाम के बाजू में इंजीनियर रख लें, तो आप भी वैसा डॉक्टर कहना मेरे लिए उचित समझता है। प्लांट पैथोलॉजी एसोसिएशन वाले आके ये प्रोग्राम, प्लांट पैथोलॉजी का प्रोग्राम है एसोसिएशन का, आने के लिए बोले, तो उस टाइम तक मेरे को डिटेल्स नहीं मालूम था, मगर एप्लीकेशंस में क्या क्या है, कैसा जोड़ सकते हैं, वो सोचते सोचते अब आपके पास आया। Plant pathology is a subject of great importance in the present context of food security and human health. Plants are continuously subject to attack by pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and insects. When that happens to crop, it greatly impact crop yields. Quality of what we eat and farmers' distress. Millions of acres of crop across the world have suffered due to pathogens that rampage crops and trees. Before year, we know cotton crop, it got very badly affected. Before that, brinjal was affected. Sometimes 30-40 times we have to pesticide the brinjal to control the disease. उतने बाद जब मारते हैं तो उसका इफेक्ट उसमें जाता है, उसके बाद में जो खाते हैं अपने के भी आते हैं, तो उसको कंट्रोल करने का है। Pathogens come in different forms across the seasons and years, and pathologists struggle to contain them through a new innovation and technologies. Indiscriminate use of insecticides and pesticides, bacteria, fungicides, and other chemicals to protect crops are ultimately sopping environment, ecology, and human and animal health. Plant pathology has great future, and there are many challenges ahead. Genetic resources for combating pathogens are available in plenty in India, but it is very time consuming and expensive. Alternative biosolutions for a green way of combating pathogens are beginning to emerge. Ultimately, it is now becoming clear that all harmful chemicals to protect plants from pathogens may gradually be reduced by development of biological which require tech and innovations. Crop protection technologies like using pheromones for insect pest management in many crops and forest trees across globe is coming up rapidly. India is the #1 country producing active ingredients and formulations of pheromone for many crops across the world. And all the pheromones are made in Genome Valley of Hyderabad, which is started in Hyderabad, and the government, central government now, it is giving 150 crores to develop for that particular district. Just now Vice Chancellor has told the number of issues we are not behind. We can compete with any other country or world. And all the phenomena are made of Genome Valley of Hyderabad by a company called ATGC Biotech. Such companies are fully supported, funded and encouraged by the Modi ji government through Department of Biotechnology and BIRAC, BIRAC. I urge scientists to entrepreneurs of Northeast to utilize the opportunities and start such ventures. I call upon the pathologists to integrate with the biotechnologists and agriculture scientists to be part of this government movement for next generation plant protection steps for a sustainable agriculture and food security in India. Yesterday there was a statement, a news that we have produced about 323 millions of tons, and it is comparatively last years it is hardly 1 or 2%, but population is more and the area, agriculture area is day by day it is reducing. So to counter that, we have to search for new seeds which can give more production, and this is जिनका प्रॉब्लम नहीं है वैसे ये होना है, और सीजनल वाइज उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने का काम आपके हाथ में है. फ्रेंड्स, इनोवेटिव टेक्नोलॉजी एंड प्लांट हेल्थ मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रेटजीज के बारे में टुडे आई स्टैंड बिफोर यू टू डिस्कस ए रिवोल्यूशन that is transforming the fabric of Indian agriculture, agri-tech. Our agricultural technology is reshaping the way we cultivate, produce and distribute food. This transformation is crucial as India strives to become a developed nation by 2047. Agriculture as a whole is facing huge challenges, rising cost of supplies and labor shortage to change in consumer preferences. Immediate solutions are needed for these challenges. Thankfully, agri-technology, also known as agri-tech here. In recent years, India has witnessed a significant surge in agri-tech, transforming the farming landscape, we have seen the emergence of over 1,000 startups. Leveraging digital technologies to empower farmers, these innovations have improved market linkages, financing, and input management, making farming more profitable and sustainable. To ensure optimal crop yields and plant health, we are adopting cutting-edge technologies, precision farming, enabled by drones and satellite imaging, allows for data-driven decisions making. Our digital soil health card program provides valuable insights into soil composition, guiding informed fertilizer application. Recognizing the vital role of agriculture in India's economy and society, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has accorded top priority to the welfare of farmers, which continues the largest workforce globally. Through a plethora of central schemes, government has addressed various critical issues facing by farmers, including soil health, irrigation, credit, and market access.